In this video we're checking out the ViFLY Power Ultimate Charger. This is a charger for your DJI type batteries. So this is my DJI Mavic Pro, and I'm going to be showing you how to charge up these batteries. It does come with connectors specifically for this particular battery, but this charger will also charge other batteries. So charge Mavic Pro, Mavic Air Spark batteries, Mavic 2, Phantom 4, and Phantom 3 batteries. And there's a Mode 1, Mode 2 switch. You can choose which ones you're going to charge here on this little slider, and then you can choose either 1 amp or 2 amps of power. And there's an input side here with a barrel connector and an output side here with a barrel connector. And you can also charge up 5 volts USB devices at 2 amps if you want to use the whatever input source for power here. So I'm going to just demonstrate here with this XT60 and this barrel connector here. You can also charge up via like a power bank, like a USB power bank. So you can plug this into your USB power bank and then plug this into the input side here and then use that as a power source. If you use a power bank, you're probably going to be limited to 1 amps, but if you use either like a drone battery, or even you could even use another DJI battery, because they sent along 2 of these connectors for the Mavic Pro battery. So I got 1 of these and 2 of these. So you could plug in 1 on the input side and 1 on the output side and charge 1 of the DJI batteries with another. But I'm going to go ahead and switch this to 2 amps, and we'll plug in. This is just a 4-cell battery. The voltage range on this one on the charger is 9 to 19 volts. You can see the other 13.2, 2 amps, 1 amp, and 17.6 volts on mode 2, 2 amps, 1 amp for the other type of batteries. And then on the output side, I'll plug in this connector, and this goes to the DJI Mavic Pro batteries. And I want to make sure that we have power here, and we have the right mode. And I'm going to charge up at 2 amps, and then we'll just go ahead and plug in our battery. And you do have to turn the battery on to charge it. So you have solid lights there, so you have input power. Go ahead and power up this battery. And now we have a blinking light over there. It means that now it's charging this battery. You have a blinking light here on the battery as well. So that's pretty much it. If you want to use some different configurations, basically you can just unplug this here. If you want, instead of using a drone battery, you can also use the cigarette lighter adapter. It plugs into your car, and this barrel connector goes into the input side. Now this one came with the Mavic Pro connector. It doesn't come with all the connectors, so I think they have different individual SKUs for the particular drone that you have. So you have to obviously order the right one, because it does not come with all the connectors. I think that's pretty much it for this device. It's pretty straightforward to use, and not much I can really say about it. And you can check out the link in the description. I believe it's up $35, I believe, something like that. Pretty simple to use, but if you're out in the field or in your car, this is going to be very useful for using it in the car. Or you can use some drone batteries that maybe have fully charged up to 19 volts. Of course, you don't want to exceed that, and you can recharge your DJI batteries in the field. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.